Hi, and welcome to the Antony Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a problem with Skype for Android that I've been having issues with, and I found a solution, so I thought I'd share it with you so that it may help others as well. The problem is that Skype, when you put the phone up to your ear, or press the sleep awake button, or do anything that causes the screen to turn off, Skype will get choppy and the call may even be disconnected and you'll have to relog into Skype. There is a solution for this, and I will show it to you. Let's go! So before we get into the solution, I want to demonstrate the problem. So I will use the sound test service on Skype. Everyone has this in their contact list, and I will use this to demonstrate the problem. Now, in order for you to hear what happens to the call, it has to be on speaker. And when it's on speaker, putting the phone up to your ear or covering the light sensor will not cause the screen to turn off. So I will do something that is equivalent, which is just using the sleep awake button to turn off the screen during the call. So let's do it.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
So this is the message I'm going to be recording, but when it plays it back to me, I'm going to turn off the screen and I'll show you what happens when the screen is turned off during the call. See, it dies.
I'm going to turn off the screen.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your... Please check your microphone and microphone settings, or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using this.
See, it's totally dead. It doesn't work anymore. So, yeah, and in fact, it's trying to redial because it's gotten disconnected. Yeah, see, it's gone. One sec. So yeah, that is the problem. It disconnects when the screen is turned off, and that includes putting the phone up to your ear. So that is very frustrating if you're trying to make a call on Skype and whenever you put the phone up to your ear, the call drops and you're forced to use speakerphone or something else, or maybe just talk into it with the volume turned up loud. But there is a solution, and I will show that to you. So the solution to this problem is enabling an option in the wireless settings menu. Now it is important to know that this option is not available on all phones and all ROMs. For those who don't know, an Android ROM is like a custom version of Android, a custom build. It has features enabled, it sometimes has bloatware removed. Bloatware is like the applications that come with it that you can't get rid of. Some of them are overclocked, meaning it's faster. All sorts of things. But not all ROMs will have this feature. The default ROM for this phone, the HTC Evo 4G, I don't recall having this feature on that ROM. So, for those who do have it, it will be in the settings menu. So you go to settings, wireless and networks, Wi-Fi settings, and then you press menu, and then you press advanced, and here's the option that makes a difference, best Wi-Fi performance. Now I think this option means that the Wi-Fi won't be turned off or reduced when you turn off the screen. So if you enable this, it will work perfectly, or almost perfectly. It will still cut out for a second when you turn off the screen on Skype, but then it will correct itself and it will not drop the call. So let's try it now with this option enabled. So with our best Wi-Fi performance option enabled, I'm going to make the same call again, and we're going to do the same thing and see how it responds.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, so when we turn the screen off again, it will become a tiny bit choppy for a few seconds, but then it will be perfectly fine. And the call will continue.
Okay, so when we turn the screen off again, it will become a tiny bit choppy for a few seconds, but then it will be perfectly fine, and the call will continue.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
So that is our solution to the problem of Skype dropping out on Android when the screen is turned off. If this solution didn't work for you because you don't have that option in your menu, you can almost certainly find a ROM on the XDA developers forums. That's XDA developers. Look it up on Google. They're great for pretty much every phone. They have developers who are working on ROMs, and they have many different features: bloatware removed, overclocking, new features like this. They have all sorts of things, so check it out there. For the record, I'm using the Energy ROM from my HTC Evo 4G. If you like written tutorials, then I've written a blog post about this. It's got all the content of this video, but in written form. It's right here. So check that out if you want to. Remember to like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, comments, or even another solution, please don't hesitate to comment. It's great to hear feedback. Have a great day.